Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you are facing notifications problem on your Gmail, like you are not receiving any notification, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how you can fix Gmail notifications not working. So let's get started. So to do that, just open your Gmail app from your phone. Now tap on this three line here and scroll down and tap on this settings from here. Now just tap on this general settings and tap on this manage notifications. Now if you find your Gmail notification is turned off here, just make sure it is turned on and it is set to allow sound and vibrate to get the notification hardly. So after that, just go back again, go to the settings by navigating the same process. Now this time tap on your Gmail account, like this Gmail I want to solve. Now tap on these notifications now and make sure it is set to all. Now check for this inbox notifications, open this and you can turn on this notify for every message, but I will not suggest that because sometimes it is very boring and distracted. But if you want, then you can do that, but I will recommend to keep this only. So get back, scroll down, and here is the most important thing, the sync Gmail. Make sure that your sync Gmail settings is turned on. If it is turned off, you can see it's clearly written here, you would not get notifications. Okay, so maybe your device has turned off this, so make sure it is turned on. So after doing all of this thing, I hope your problem will be solved. So if it is not, then just uninstall and install again your Gmail app. And if you follow these steps, I think the problem will be solved for you. If you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.